Good afternoon, David Stoffo here with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Hope you're doing wonderful today. Wanted to show you this really nice Crest II 220 tri-tune boat that we have in stock. Brand spanking new boat. We can be reached at 770-614-6968 at MarineMax in Beaufort. If you have any questions about this boat, we'd love to help you with that. This nice one has the SLRC floor plan. As you can see, it's got the split loungers with the center walk-through. Really neat floor plan in that you've got this nice little area here, but then that will articulate in such a way to have a full comfy lounger facing rearwards when you want more seating. That is a really versatile design. This one does it as well. So a lot of flexibility on this boat and its floor plan. This boat has the CPT performance package option checked on the boat, including the junior ski tow bar, the 48-gallon poly tank in the center log. You've got aluminum underskinning on this boat, full length of the boat. You also have the splash guards on the pontoons themselves, as well as the lifting strakes. This boat's wonderfully powered with the 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. It's called a 150L. Wonderful 150, performs better than really everyone else's 150, we think. Great on fuel, nice and quiet, but good power, good whole ship. This boat has a nice all fiberglass helm, which is important to mention. You've got your sport tilt wheel here. You also have your depth finder. Got your hours meter on there. You've got your Bluetooth stereo. That's Fusion brand name. It also is Sirius satellite ready. You've got your captain's cooled cup holder, as well as your storage area. This boat has the premium stereo option on it, which is nice. Gives it real good sound, as well as got the LED lighted rings around the speakers themselves. Some other nice things about this boat: it does have the changing station, you could call it, with the curtain for privacy, and in-floor storage locker, which is nice to give you some place to stow away some items that don't need to be on deck. This boat is trimmed with the black metallic exterior, and it has the steel gray on the outside to pull the color on inside as well. So hopefully you've got an idea about this boat. We'd love to talk to you about owning it. We do take trade-ins. We have great financing. So give us a call when you have any questions. We'd love to talk to you. I'm David Stoffo. We can be reached at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia, and that number is 770-614-6968. Thanks and have a great day.